مرحب مرحب يا رمضان ويا مرحبا بك يا رمضان مرحب مرحب يا رمضان ويا مرحب.
Assalamu alaikum. We are Muallima Fatimah and Muallima Fozia. Our company is called Muallima Fozia and Fatimah Mini Muslim Productions. And what we basically do is we make Islamic education fun and enjoyable for children.
Alhamdulillah, we had the opportunity to be part of this amazing Muslim school community, Australian International Islamic College, to celebrate the upcoming amazing month Ramadan, and to get our children excited about the upcoming month and to get them prepared about performing good deeds, in particular our salat.
That's right. With this event, we decided to delve into salah and to help the children see how beautiful salah can be when we really focus on making sure that we take time in our salah and making sure that we are making wudu the correct way as well.
That's right, and striving towards good deeds, getting them revved up and powered up for our upcoming month to make sure that we can maximize their Ramadan, inshallah, our Ramadan, inshallah, for 2024.
So in our event, we had fun games, we had a puppet show, we had prizes that were won, and alhamdulillah, the students enjoyed it a lot.
And we showcased a video that we created on our own to highlight the importance of salat when we are faced with difficulties. What the Prophet ﷺ used to do, he used to resort to salat in all kinds of difficulties he faced. And so we are going to follow his example, inshallah, and pray our salat, ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for help in all situations. The kids at Australian International Islamic College were absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. It was overwhelming to see how educated they are and how they participated interactively when it came to asking the questions, the Kahoot questions, and it really shows the Islamic pedagogy at this school is top-notch.
Absolutely. Wow, mashallah. The level of Islamic education and understanding was brilliant and amazing. We saw how the children were so respectful as well, and how when Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's name was mentioned, how they sent salawat upon him. I think that was beautiful to see.
Yep, and the adab that was displayed was outstanding. And you know, the school community should be absolutely proud of the students that they have.
مرحب مرحب يا رمضان ويا مرحبا بك يا رمضان مرحب مرحب يا رمضان ويا مرحبا بك 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 يا رمضان